Mr. Oginski, call your next witness, the judge says. Judge, my witness isn't here. I can't find my witness. What happens next? You want to know the answer? Come join me for a moment as I share with you some great information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury attorney practicing law in the state of New York. You might think this doesn't happen, but it happens more often than you think. The witness doesn't show up, and there could be many reasons. Maybe we subpoenaed the witness and he ignored the subpoena. Maybe he voluntarily agreed to come in to testify and now he's stuck in traffic. There could be lots of different reasons why the witness has not shown up despite the fact that he is scheduled to arrive that morning. So now what happens next? Now the judge is going to ask me questions. Did you subpoena him? Did you talk to him? Did he promise to be here? What time did you tell him? And now we've got a packed courtroom. The jury's sitting there waiting to start. The judge is up on the bench. He's now asking me to call my next witness. If I don't have a next witness, I've got a problem. Now the judge has to figure out how to solve that problem. He wants to move the case forward. He wants the jury to go ahead and listen to testimony. Mr. Oginski, do you have any other witnesses lined up for today? You know, at the very beginning of trial, the judge will likely ask the attorneys, listen, how many witnesses do you have? Who's going to be coming in and testifying on each given day? Now, why does the judge want to do that? Why does he need to know that information? Because he wants to be able to plan and schedule things in the trial accordingly. And importantly, he wants to be able to tell the jury who's coming in on each given day. So now, the day before, the judge will have told the jury, listen, we have the following witness coming in to testify. He's going to be here at 9:30 sharp, so let's get all started at 9:30. But what if the witness doesn't show up? Well, in all likelihood, the judge will extend some courtesy to me to try and find my witness. Get him on the phone, find out where he is. Is he stuck in traffic? Did he forget about what's going on? So now, what happens if an hour goes by and the witness still isn't around? Now, I've got a problem. The judge has a problem. He doesn't want to waste the jury's time. And now he's got to fashion a solution in light of the fact that we've got a witness who hasn't shown up. He's missing. I don't know where he is. I can't reach him. And now we have to deal with that problem. Hopefully, I've got another witness lined up. But if I don't, he may have to tell the jury, listen, ladies and gentlemen, we don't know what happened to this witness. We're going to come back tomorrow where we're supposed to have the following witness testify. Mr. Oginski, you're going to have him here, right? Yes, I will, Judge. The judge puts a lot of pressure on me to make sure that my witness is in court because we don't want to inconvenience anybody to sit around and waste their day. So why do I share this great information with you? I share it with you just to give you an insight and an understanding into what goes on in a trial involving an accident case, involving a medical malpractice case, involving a wrongful death case in these civil lawsuits here in New York. You know, I realize you're watching this because you likely have questions or concerns about your own particular matter. Well, if you're thinking about bringing a lawsuit and you've got legal questions about your matter that happen here in New York, what I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. You know, this is something I do every single day and I'd love to chat with you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, Gerry, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a wonderful day.